Hi boys and girls. So now we've made our snakes, we've made our grass, and we need to get our grass ready so that we can weave our snakes. So you can see my grass has already got the little slits cut in it. That's what you're going to do today for yours. So you're going to fold your grass in half so that you can see the back of the paper. And on one end you're going to take a piece of tape about as long as your paper. Just rip it off. I'll do it on the back side here so you can see. You're going to put it along that edge, along one edge like this. And what this is going to do is first it's going to give you a place to write your name and class code. So use your Sharpie and put your name and class code. And then also when we're cutting, it's the stop line. So you're going to cut and stop when you touch that tape. You want to cut all the way up to the tape. Don't stop before you get to the tape. I want you to cut right up to where your scissors are touching the tape. Okay? So on the back side, Mrs. Walker's got some little mini rulers that I cut for you guys. You're just going to lay your ruler. I mean, you can just, if you want, you can lay it right up against the tape and against the side and draw your lines, and then move it over, draw your line, move it over, draw a line. So you're going to line it up with your last pencil line and then draw a line, okay? I'm not doing this because I've already done it, but you're going to draw those lines. And when you're done, before you start cutting, you should be able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. You're going to cut those 6 lines all the way up until you hit the masking tape, okay? I would rather you cut into the masking tape just a little bit than to not get all the way to the masking tape. It's going to be hard for you to weave 6 of these through here if you don't cut it all the way up to the tape, okay? Once you have that cut, open it up, and this shows you you're ready to start weaving. You're going to take your first snake, and then exactly what we talked about. And I think I made another video for this, but the other video we'll watch where you're gonna weave it over and under, over and under, over. Ooh, and if yours is like this. Did Mrs. Walker do a good job of gluing? No, I did not. You want this to not be coming apart like that. That's not good. And if you do have to re-glue it, make sure your glue is dry so it's not sticky and hard to get through the holes that can stick. So over and under. So there's one snake through the grass. Then I push him up. Then I can start on my second one. Do not do the same thing you did with the first one. Do the opposite. This one should actually start under and go over, and then he should slither under and over. So this guy was over, under, over, under, over, under, over. This one's going to be under, over, under, over. So I'm going to do the opposite every time. You're going to do that until you have all 6 of your snakes in the grass. Keep pushing them up as you go, and you'll have to push them up in order to have space to get all of them in here. Okay? All right, have fun weaving.